Lighthouse for Life family. We are so excited about our Fund the Fight fundraiser that's happening this Thursday night at 6:45 p.m. at Irmo High School Center for the Arts. If you haven't registered yet, we strongly encourage you to go ahead, get your ticket reserved. It's free to attend. We would love to have you join us. We want to have as many people that are a part of this community there that night to support, not just because it's our fundraiser event, but also because some of our survivors are going to be in attendance, and we cannot wait for them to see the number of people that are there to support them, the number of sponsors that they're going to see logos around, the number of local restaurants that have donated food and beverages for us to enjoy that night, all because they want to support our survivors. So again, if you haven't registered, please go ahead and click the button down below and get your tickets reserved today. Again, it's free to attend. We do encourage you to prayerfully consider what you might be able to donate that night at the event, or perhaps you would commit to becoming one of our monthly partners, which is one of our lamplighters. We need so many people that are coming alongside us to support our survivors, and specifically for this event, our focus is on the reopening of our safe house for minors, Harris Homes. You're going to get a glimpse into what that safe house looks like, and more importantly, you're going to get a glimpse into what it's like to be a minor that gets groomed into the life of trafficking. It's so easy to think of this as a far-off crime, one that happens in third world countries or in large cities and in back alleys. It's much harder to recognize that the reality is this is happening in our backyards. This is happening in our neighborhoods. This is happening in our school systems. In fact, we have served students that have walked the very halls of Irmo High School that we will be hosting this event in this Thursday night. So please come and join us. Learn more about what it is that we're doing to fight this crime, but also how you can be a part of this community to join that fight with us. One of the other things that you'll have the opportunity for on Thursday is to hear from our keynote speaker, Alicia Tappan. She herself is a survivor, and she runs an organization called Survivor-Led Solutions. Her story is incredibly impactful, and when you hear just how connected what her story is that she went through is to the drama that you're going to see represented on Thursday night, how it just happens in plain sight and no one knows, it's going to blow you away, I promise. So please, again, if you haven't registered, go ahead and do so. We would love to have as many of you there as possible. Hope to see you Thursday.